Yo, for a park bathroom, I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. That's a 10 out of 10 bathroom right there, guys. For sure. They got a squatty. They got a western. They got sinks. The floor is clean. Not bad. Not bad at all. Driving all over the road here, but how'd you like this to be your walk to school every day? Not that bad, huh? My walk to school didn't look this good. Realize it's the middle of the day, so probably definitely not gonna see any leopards, obviously. And if it's nighttime, you don't really want to be running into any leopards. But there's some other stuff here. Hello, how are you? Hey, another one. Right there. Oh. A bike is not possible, they said. The road is too bad, they said. Alright, lots of shade here, actually. Every 3 minutes, the temperature changes drastically. It's probably 15 degrees Fahrenheit cooler right here. I don't know what that is Celsius. What, like 4? Maybe? 4 degrees cooler than it was, like 50 meters back. Yeah. I need to sit down and just practice Celsius.
Don't swim style.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no swimming, no diving. He'd be like Scrooge McDuck into his pool of money. Except when Family Guy did it and Peter actually got squished. When he jumps into his pool of money and just his neck he just splats his pool of coins. Hello. A wild chicken. And a big fat cock. Looks like some old houses. I don't know what that says. Translate it in the comments, please. Thank you. Oh wow. Look at that butterfly, or moth, is lime green. Hope I got that. If you can't tell how out of shape I am by my severe grunting and my heavy panting from the slightest hill inconvenience or anomaly in the track. What is this? No swimming? Oh, this is a riverbank, I think. Yeah, let's go check it out. We can park our bikes and go see. Get off the bike for a minute.
You want to check it out?
Yeah, we can walk right here, I think. Make sure we put our bikes in a way we can tell the difference because they're all the same bike. There we go. Snake country, maybe. Definitely probably some cobras out here, so watch your step. They have black mambas here too?
I think so.
Yeah.
In Mumbai?
Anywhere in India, yeah. Probably in Mumbai as well. I don't know. Maybe black mambas are African. But who knows? Vipers at least. You want to see the view without my big dumb head in the way? I know you do.
There is not the river.
It's not the river?
No.
Oh, well, there's no river left.
Yeah.
It's all dried up.
It is
Dang.
dry.
Let me get a peek at it real quick. Oh no. Okay.
It's dry.
Damn. R.I.P. the river. Sorry, this was supposed to be your river view, but now it's all gone. R.I.P. We've come down from the caves. We're gonna ride bikes a little bit more around the park. So I will edit all the bike riding footage together, and I'll edit all of the cave footage together into 2 different videos with a slightly skewed timeline. Alright. Probably don't want to look at my big dumb head. You'd rather see the park. So let's flip you around. Okay. This looks to be a restroom and a play park for the kids. So it's this way, right? And then we go a loop like this.
Okay.
Whoop. Yeah. I believe. Is the cat orientation center. It's not open right now. Maybe it's open on the weekends. Who knows?
Should we go in other direction here, or no?
Well, this is the loop. It looks like a lot of this is closed off, fortunately. They probably cut the staffing while tourist season isn't in. So I think we go this way for the loop, or you want to go this way?
Left, I think.
Okay, left it is.
Sure, but
Either way. It's the nature camp, which probably is pretty cool. Come on, you can do it. Let's go. No, I failed. I'm gonna have to walk. Cannot film and stand up and pedal at the same time. You need 2 hands for that. I just have a regular single speed bike here, so. Maybe I should have. Probably should have went with the Hustler at the gate for the mountain bike. I think he said 250 rupees for all day, which probably would have ended up being about the same price I'm going to end up paying here at the end, because it was 80 rupees for 2 hours at the bike rental stand inside the park. Sure hope some of that money is going to keep the park in good shape. I'm sure it is. Okay, it's flat again. I can get back home. Alrighty, left or right?
you cannot go right. Go.
Okay, right is not going. Okay, left it is. We're getting a little bit of rain. It's absolutely incredible. Oh shit. That was a big ass snake, dude.
Big ass snake.
That was a big ass snake. Holy shit. I hope I got that on video. Dang. That was a big boy. That snake was huge, dude. I sure hope I caught that on camera. I was pointing the camera at myself like an idiot. Thought that was a stick for just a second, and then I realized it was a snake. Good thing he turned around and went the other way.
Oh, wildlife hospital again.
Yes, they have a wildlife hospital, which is very nice. Hello, sir. He has a big old dog. Beautiful Rottweiler. Okay. We can go this way. Did we cross this bridge?
No.
No? Okay. Cool. Another playground. With some Disney characters. I'm sure Disney will do the nice thing and get litigious and sue the park for using their IP. No. Okay, we certainly rode past here, right? Summer camp? Yes, this is towards the exit. Yeah, everything in that loop was closed.
Yeah.
I figured. Alright folks, this looks like the end of the line, so for the third time today I'm gonna sign off and end this video. Okay, bye bye.